Hey guys. Okay, so I had to do it on Movie Star like. I'm suicidal. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding, but I got some string. I made it. Look at the pretty colors. So, it's really hot in my room. And my parents. It's kind of funny. I was downstairs in my parents' bedroom, and there was a bottle of tequila gold on my dad's dresser. So I took it, and I sniffed it. It was strong. But the funny thing is that my parents, I asked them, I was like, do you drink this straight? Anyway, I was like, do you drink this straight? And they're like, no. I'm like, can I? And they're like, no. I was like, why not? She's like, my mom was like, if you're gonna drink it, you're gonna drink enough to make you puke. I was like, seriously? And they're like, yeah, seriously. I'm like, so can like we have a drinking party? See all the things that I like and then I don't like? And they're like, no. I was like, hey, you just said if I drink, I have to drink so much that I throw up. Or pass out, whichever comes first. Look at these. These are my favorite. They got like some zebra print cupping in sheet. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 eyes. But anyway, but what they don't is that I've already had some. Because I was at a party. That's all I need to say. So yeah, I'm reading this book. It's called Paper Towns. On page 15. I'll read you some of it. It's actually a really good book so far. Oh, where am I? Margot Roth-Spiegelman, who drank a cup of herbal tea with the millionaires backstage after a concert in St. Louis while they drink whiskey. It's like story time. Actually, you know what it is, story time. Let me tell you a story. By the time I gave a bath to my dog. That's my story. Okay, you want to know it? Do you want to know this story? Because I don't think you do. Because it's kind of boring. You want to know it? 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 Okay, so what happened was I gave a bath to my dog. He's about this big. Yeah, it's like actual size. So it's like you put it up to your computer and be like, oh, that's how dog the bog is. How big the dog is. Wow, I cannot talk to you. Dr. Never. So yeah, what happened was he tried to jump out of the tub, but he couldn't because he was too small. That was my story. It's like there's people, and they have to put it on all serious, like. Wait, we gotta get the dark glasses. Colonel Mustard killed the victim with a candlestick in the hallway. That's what's up. So yeah. Dude, I love playing that game. The game is like fucking awesome. April, you want a haircut? I should probably really get these off my bed before I stab myself. Now we're on the floor and I'm gonna stab myself in the foot. Woo! La la la. No no no. No. I haven't tasted my boyfriend since 157. Smile will show you. I have this. It's upside down. Jesus. Yeah. Let's go through. Oh, McDonald's cup from like 5 days ago. Okay, just kidding. It was from Wednesday. Let's go through my drawers. Okay? So first off, we got a note from my friend Justin. Second off, we have this thing. For school. Anyway, I don't know what this is, but oh, that was for a phone. I don't know why I have that, because it's not mine. Look, it's a man with a hat. Oh my god! Oh, my foot itched. We got a Sudoku with a pencil in on a page that I'm working on. It's one of these. I'm not sure. So yeah, let's get a pencil back in there. And we got the Sounds of Summit. It's for my school. And it's got my Sims 3 thing in it, where this CD actually is. I have no idea. So yeah. Justin Bieber, My World, acoustic version. Let's pop that sucker in my computer. I don't need this anymore. So we're just gonna put that in the pile. Then we got another note, I think. We don't even read that. My hair is getting in my face, so we're just gonna pin this back here. No. Okay. Then we got my grammar book for English 9, which I probably need to give back to the teachers. At the end of the year, at least. We got some shower gel. I need to use this. I've never used it. It smells good. We got some more notes. Yeah. Some notes. Yeah. We got the calculator. It's pink. So that's pretty cool. We got this to get my old phone that I don't even think turns on because it's like dead or something. Then we got this bracelet that needs to be in my jewelry box. Oh, but it's not. It's pretty cute. Just latches like right here. It's got like some magnets or something. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty tight. Oh, it's broken down here too. Or not broken, just stretched. It's got little hearts on it and then a big heart. And yeah. Then we got this planner. It's pretty cool. And then we got this picture my friend drew me. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I got a penny, which needs to go in my money drawer. And we got the back of a phone cover for my phone that I don't use, which, you know, I'm gonna put one on there. Put this one on here. Because it's not broken. At least that I think. Oh, yeah, it's not broken. See? That's the back. Kinda miss my phone covers. They made it kinda cool. Then we got some love quotes that I wrote, and then some that my friend wrote, and her handwriting's purple. So yeah, then we got another one of these bracelet thingies. We got another picture my friend drew, but didn't finish. I got a note from her. And then I colored this. This one, Tyler, this one's me. You don't know him. Hey, the sounds of something. Pretty cool. A clip. Need that. I love how I'm just kind of like throwing all this crap over here. And we're not done. Oh, hey, you saw my straightener on my bed on plate. We're almost done. We got a letter here. I did this. I did. Can you see those benches? Yeah. Pretty cool. Those are the boys' tents. Those right there. Mine were on the other side. This is the Sims 3 game, which I think I'm going to play tomorrow. That or Sims 2. And then we got Snap. And we got some colleges. Yeah. I think that's. And we got some more pictures. And then we got this bow. I have another blue one like that, and this said Skittles. That was my nickname, and my friend made it for me. But it's got all this hair on it, because it's like dirty. Graceland University! Yeah. So we got this micro SD card is inserted in the handset. Came with my phone. And we got this pretty ring, which should be in my jewelry box as well. And then a ball. And then a duck. And a monsters thing. And then this clip. And an earring. And last but not least, a bear. Oh, and a clip. But yeah, so that's what's in there. We're going to see what is in other places in my room tonight too.